Alright, we got the truck up on the ramps. We're going to be putting in the Fumoto petcock valve for the oil drain plug. Skid plate came in and I threw my skid plate on. Well, now when you drain the oil, it all goes on top of the skid plate. So got our drain pan, shit, baby ratchet. Them two things, too small. Oh yeah. Let's go make a mess. First try. A little trap door comes off the. Don't be a mechanic either. Like, you'll be like a plumber or an electrician or I don't know, an HVAC tech. Little plate right here. Ah, there we go. She's a little plate like a tiger. Try to this. I'm gonna squeeze this funnel to get around the sway bar, and we're gonna try to get up there and try to capture this oil and let it out as slow as possible. It kind of fits. Alright, I'm kind of throttling it by holding the plug in the hole a little bit. Got good flow there. So you do another trade where you make more money, you just pay some idiot like me to do this. Just like that, the valve is on. So next time you drain, you just grab a hose, connect it to this nipple, and run it down, and you make no mess. And you just pull, there's a clip here, pull it off, that's like a little extra safety lock. And then you just grab that tab, and you slide it over. But it's just some extra insurance. So looking for like a beautiful little puzzle piece. Next time I won't even really have to take this thing off if I got a hose for it. So now we'll move on to the oil filter. And we'll start loosening this thing up. Just like that. Well, I'd say that was pretty smooth sailing. Since I did it that first time and I made a little bit of a mess on top of the skid plate, I kind of knew what to expect. So this time I took a little bit more time to take some more precautionary measures. But yeah, it went pretty smooth. Clean all my tools off real quick and then get to filling up the truck and then start her up. Log all my service records in my phone and reset the oil change indicator on the truck, and that will be good to go. So, you know, if you work hard for your stuff, don't be lazy. Clean and wipe down your tools and your funnels, and that way you just have to buy stuff once. One thing that bugs me is when I see people that don't take care of their tools and their vehicles or whatever it may be. It's like, I know it's kind of hard when you're out there working you know, things like flat rate. You know, flat rate guys, you're paid to be quick. That's how you make your money, so I understand it there. But I've had people borrow one of my tools, like my ratchet, electric ratchet or something, and it comes back covered in grease. It drives me nuts. Pop the cable for the hood release real quick. It's got some Mobile One 5W30. Let that drain all the way.